Good morning, dear students. So, yesterday we left the topic at autotrophic nutrition. So, now we will continue in the second lecture, that is autotrophic nutrition. I have already discussed yesterday what autotrophic means. Auto means self and troph means nourishment. See, so the one who prepare their own food called autotrophs. Nutrition in which living organism prepare their own food by their own are called autotrophic nutrition. See, autotrophic nutrition is found in green plants. Green plants prepare their own food through a process called photosynthesis. You are well aware with the process. The leaves of these plants contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, and without chlorophyll, food cannot be prepared by the plants. Green plants are called autotrophic organisms or autotrophs. In the same way, the next mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. The one who do not prepare their own food called heterotrophs, and the nutrition in which living organism do not prepare their own food and they depend upon plants or other animals. They follow heterotrophic nutrition, like animals, human being, parasitic plants, saprophytic, insectivorous plants, symbiotic plants, etc. See, all animals show heterotrophic mode of nutrition and hence they are called heterotrophs. If you list all the food items that you can eat during the day, you will know how much we depend on plants and animals. See, wheat, rice, pulses, vegetable and fruit are obtained from plants. Milk, curd, cheese, eggs and meat we depend on animals. Like this, two mode of nutrition are there: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic in which one prepare their own food, and heterotrophic in which one depend on other plants or animals for their food. See, heterotrophic nutrition is divided in three parts according to their food what they eat. It is divided into three parts, that is herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Plant eaters are herbivore like cow, buffalo, deer, etc. And meat eaters are carnivore like tiger, lion, wolf, etc. And the one who eat both plants and animals are omnivores: human, crow, etc. So like this, all the nutrition, the mode of nutrition is explained. So now one by one we will briefly study how plant undergo autotrophic nutrition. See, the autotrophic nutrition in plants is photosynthesis, named as photosynthesis. The process by which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. You are well aware where is the food prepared in the plant body, that is leaves. We all know from the earlier classes we have studied. And what are the raw materials which the plant used to prepare their food, that is sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. We will study it in this topic. See, during this process, plant absorbs sunlight through their leaves and convert it into food using raw materials like carbon dioxide from atmosphere and water from soil. See, water is absorbed from soil through roots, and carbon dioxide is taken by the leaves through stomata, and then in the presence of sunlight the food is prepared by the leaves. See, this photosynthesis require four things. What are the four things? What are the four raw materials are there? Chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Chlorophyll, it is the green pigment present in leaves which give green color to them, and it reflects green light and absorb red and blue light. See, if a substance is looking red, then it means it is going to absorb all the light except red, only it is reflecting the red light. So in the same way, leaves are green, they absorb all the light except the green light, they reflect green light. Okay, so they are chlorophyll is essential for absorbing sunlight. Now sunlight, it is absorbed by chlorophyll present in leaves, which is used to combine raw material. Like the basic raw material are carbon dioxide and water. Now carbon dioxide, it is absorbed from atmosphere by leaves through small pores present on lower surface of leaves. These pores are called stomata. and water. I'll show you the diagram of stomata, and we will study briefly the function and the structure of stomata, the pores which are present at the surface of the lower surface of the leaf. We will study it. Now water, it is taken up from the soil by roots and transported to leaves through pipe-like structure called vessels. See, root absorb water from soil and they transport it through vessels like xylem and phloem are there in plant. Xylem is important for you can say they transport. Xylem transport water and mineral to the leaves, and phloem transport food prepared in the leaves to the other part of the plant. See, this we can understand by this diagram. Sunlight is absorbed by leaves and carbon dioxide through stomata present on the surface of leaves. Water from the roots is absorbed and transported through various parts of the plants, and then after the food formation in leaves in the form of sugar or starch or carbohydrate, oxygen is released in the atmosphere. So this is the diagram involved in photosynthesis process, and the formula which is involved in photosynthesis process is C, carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, carbohydrate is formed and oxygen is released in the environment. So this is the whole reaction involved in the photosynthesis. See, carbon dioxide is taken from atmosphere, water is taken from soil through roots, sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is present in the leaves, and they combine. Sunlight helps in combining the raw material, and then carbohydrate is formed or starch is formed, and oxygen is released in the environment. Coming back to the diagram, you can draw the diagram by your own, and please pause the video to complete your notes also, and keep on revising everything. In the next class we will study what is stomata, guard cell, what is their function, and then more we will study. And one more thing is to if any topic is left, you can complete your copy from this video by pausing it for a little, and you can copy your notes or whatever you have left during the Zoom classes, so it will be easier for you. Okay, thank you.